In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TikTok Ads Manager. First, open your browser and go to the official TikTok Ads website. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser and make sure you're on the genuine TikTok domain. Once the page loads, you'll see options to create a new account or connect using an existing TikTok account. Choose the option that fits you best. If you already use TikTok for personal or business purposes, connecting that account is usually the quickest path. After you choose, TikTok will verify your identity to confirm your account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll be asked to enter your account details and then type in a one-time code sent to you. This code confirms it's really you and protects your account. If additional security prompts appear, complete them before proceeding. Next, you'll be asked for basic business information so TikTok can set up your ad account correctly. Provide your company website, select your industry, choose your region, and enter your business name. Be accurate here. These settings help tailor recommendations and can affect what options you see later. When everything looks good, click Continue. From here, TikTok will guide you through choosing your advertising objectives. This is where you tell the platform what you want your ads to achieve, such as building awareness, driving traffic to a site, or boosting conversions. Read each option and pick the one that aligns with your goal. The interface will walk you through the remaining prompts based on your selection, so just follow along and make choices that best match your campaign plan. Once you're in the Ads Manager dashboard, set up your billing information so your campaigns can run without interruption. Add a payment method securely, confirm your currency and time zone, and review your billing threshold or limits if available. Taking a minute to check these details now prevents issues later. With the essentials in place, feel free to explore the app. Look around the campaigns, ad groups, and ad sections to see how your structure will be organized. Review audience targeting, placements, and creative formats to understand what's available. If you plan to track website actions, find the tools for installing a site tag or pixel and explore measurement settings. You can also browse the resources and help articles directly inside Ads Manager for best practices and troubleshooting tips. That's it. You've accessed TikTok Ads Manager, verified your account, completed your business details, selected an objective, and prepared billing. You're ready to start building effective campaigns and exploring the features that matter most to your goals.